The tangent to the curve at y equals 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1 at the point where x equals -1 meets the y-axis at the point A. Find the coordinates of A. So in this problem, the key words is that you have a curve and there is a tangent line. So the key word is tangent. And it says tangent at x equals -1. And then the other one says meets the y-axis at the point A. So it says meets the y-axis. So what's the thinking process? It says your tangent at x equals -1. If it's tangent, it means it can be written in the form y equals mx plus c. So you need to find that m. And after finding the m, you need to find the value of c, okay, by substituting the given point x -1 and whatever the y in that values of x. It meets the y-axis. Remember, in the y-axis, any curve that passes to the y-axis, it means that x equals 0. So what does it mean is that after you get the tangent y equals mx plus c, you need to plug in 0, okay, to your x, and you can find the value of your y. So let's try to do that plan. First, I take the derivative based on what we have done there. Let's take the derivative. So the derivative of this is 9x squared plus 4x minus 5. We want the gradient. So to find the gradient, we need to plug in x equals -1. So the gradient at x equals -1, you plug it into your y prime. So y prime now is equal to 9 times -1 squared plus 4 times -1 minus 5. And it will give you 9 minus 4 minus 5, which happens to be 0. Right? So therefore, we are now on the other next step, which is to find the c. So our equation now is y is equal to ox plus c, because that is our format for our tangent, and it passes through the point -1, y. Now, if x equals -1, we need to find the y. So I'll just use my right here. So that's going to be 3 times -1 cubed plus 2 times -1 squared minus 5 times -1 plus 1. So you have there what? So this is -3, this is +2, this is +5, this +1. So 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 3. So at y is equal to 5. So therefore, that is now 5 equals 0 times -1 plus c. Your c will eventually 5. So therefore, your coordinate or your tangent line is y is equal to 0x plus 5. Or you can just simply write this as y is equal to 5. That is the tangent line. So it says it passes, it meets the y-axis. Whatever the graph, it says it meets the y-axis at A. The y-axis at A. So therefore, since the graph of that is a line, which is this one, let's say that is your 5, so the graph of y is equal to 5 is a line. It means that whatever the values of x, the values of y is always 5. So therefore, this is the point A, which is actually 0.05. And that is our answer. Thank you.